Welcome, dear creatives. In this video, we'll be making this simple and beautiful headpiece or hair clip that is showing on your screen right now. So what you need is your UHU glue, you need your comb, yes, and then or clip. Yeah, you can use clip, but we're using comb in this case. You need your scissors, your tape, measuring tape, your boning, small size boning, and then you need your crinoline pipe. Right now, I'm taking the measurement of my crinoline pipe, and then the measurement of my crinoline pipe is 85 inches. Feel free to use something longer than what I used. You can use more than 85 inches, okay? You can even use something shorter. It depends on how big or small you want your headpiece to be. But mine is 85 inches, while the boning is 72 inches. The boning that I inserted into my crinoline pipe is 72 inches. What I did here is just to pass the bone in through the crinoline pipe. Okay. So it is actually easy. Now just watch the movement of my hands. Okay. If you do not know how I passed the bone in through the crinoline pipe, you should watch the video. Click the link that is shown on your screen now to watch that. The way I embellished that Zara cap. I had to pass the bone in through the crinoline pipe. So right now I'm just going to form the design that we have on the beautiful crinoline headpiece that I showed you. So just watch the movement of my hands and you will get it right. It is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. And see how I've been using the same crinoline pipe. You know, the remaining part that doesn't have the boning to just go through my comb. Okay, so it's more like a two-in-one thing. Instead of using your needle and thread to start attaching your embellishment to the comb, you can use the part of your crinoline that doesn't have the boning in it, and just use it to go over your comb the way you see me doing. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cut out the excess boning, and then I'm going to use my UHU glue at this point. I don't think I mentioned that you'll be needing a rose and your UHU glue, but because you're watching and you have watched up to this point, you need your rose and you need your UHU glue. So I'll just apply my UHU glue right now and then attach my rose on it.